I'm Sean, Energy Products Distribution's installation trainer, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the process of learning to install Bray windshield protection films, EcoSkin and Windshield Skin. You're going to learn techniques such as proper heat shrinking, trimming and cutting, as well as squeegeeing. But more than that, you'll get ongoing support. If you have an issue when you're in the field working, I'm here to offer assistance in any way I can. I'd like to invite you to our next class, and I hope to see you soon.